Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best and most interesting sports discussions on the internet.
Yes, people. So we're here again with our weekly show, keeping up with the Reggae Boyz. Episode 2, bro. What was last week?
Episode few.
What do you think about last week?
Not really to do the two thing.
Episode 2 for me. What do you think about last week?
Honestly, one of my favorite features to date. As you guys know, love my Reggae Boyz and love talking about them any chance I get. So definitely going forward will be my favorite feature. What do you think about last week?
Last week was good. The discussion was alright. You know, I enjoyed doing the video. I enjoyed watching about the video. I watched it a couple times.
Yeah.
But today, we're talking about the coach, one of the greatest Reggae Boyz ever. Theodore, Tappa, Whitmore. The meeting that was held about 3 weeks ago, you know, JFF going ice cold on us, and also discussing our opinions and giving some updates on some Reggae Boyz. That's what we have for them today. Yeah, man. Keeping up with the Reggae Boyz. Let's go.
The technical committee, as they're so popularly referred to, had a meeting discussing the fate of our great coach Theodore Whitmore, you know?
Great player.
And it so happened that the outcome of this meeting had Theodore Whitmore voted out 5-2.
5-2. So seven
technical
members in
the committee.
Committee, and they voted
Tappa out.
5-2.
And since then, apparently they proposed their results to the president of the JFF, Mr. Ricketts. And I'm not sure what he did with the proposal, because we heard, there was obviously, you guys will have known about this big uproar. We almost made a video for you guys, and then thank God it didn't. It was Tappa has been fired, Ricky Hill has been hired.
Because the vote was taken.
Yeah.
In favor of firing Tappa. So like what now?
So obviously, Michael Ricketts came out subsequently and said, I have the final say. Him are the man. And what I say is goes. What I say go. What I say go. Anyways, what him said go. So him basically body it up and temporarily overrule it, you know, for the time being.
I'm not even sure if he overruled it, you know, because there are a lot of things to think about when you think about firing Coach Whitmore. And you know, another popular you know, personality in sports, Oral Tracy, he spoke about it, YouTuber also. He mentioned the variables, you know, the money that they would have to pay Coach Whitmore.
Yeah, for buy out him contract.
A lot of the replacement not being suitable. Yeah, a lot of things to think about. So I don't know if he's even overruling the voting or
he's just being tentative.
Yeah.
Well, let's speak more on his possible replacements.
Alright, so who are the names up for debate?
Alright, so names up for debate. I've obviously heard Paul Hall being tossed around.
Ricky Hill guy.
Ricky Hill, I've heard about it, even though he denies having even spoken to the JFF. I've heard rumblings about Carl Brown, which I would love to see Carl Brown back in the national program. Wendell Downswell, he used to coach. And Michael Coley.
Miguel Coley was mentioned by Coach Schaefer. Who would be your favorite candidate though? Who do you want to see back in?
Well, as I said, Carl Brown, I think.
You like to say Carl Brown?
I think he did very well with the Reggae Boyz when he had the Reggae Boyz. But for an immediate turnover, I think because Paul Hall has been working closely with the guys throughout this campaign, throughout the Gold Cup, as well as his close relationship with the English-based players, I think for a smooth transition and to give us any chance of salvaging anything from this campaign, I would just hire Paul Hall as the interim right now. That's what I would do.
My only concern is I hear no names where I say, all right, those coaches are of high pedigree. You know, big coaches, big experience. Paul Hall obviously, you know, involved with the youth system in England, and Miguel Coley is assistant coach in not a big league. You know, long term, my opinion is I think we should go with Miguel Coley. Long term, not right now. Immediately, I agree with Paul Hall. Just because he's already associated with the boys, he's already in the program. But I think Miguel Coley is a coach that we can try for the future. You know, we tried Jerome Waite as the assistant once, didn't work out. So yeah, maybe Long term, just a name to put out there. Miguel Coley for Jamaica head coach.
Well, you know,
I like the suggestion.
Paul Hall is pretty young as well, so I think if Paul Hall is willing to commit to the Reggae Boyz, I would like his perspective. I would like the professionalism that he would bring, seeing that he's played professional football, played with and against professionals, and he is now currently coaching at a professional level, which Theodore Whitmore has never done before. The international level
qualifications, no doubt. Paul Hall is more qualified than Theodore.
So I would rock with Paul Hall going forward, but
I guess the pay situation will be easy to figure out. Also, because that is one of the reasons why we went with Theodore Whitmore in the first place.
Yeah, which is why it might not be so easily figured out.
But Paul Hall is already on the books. That's
but
what
Paul
I'm saying.
Hall is on the books as an assistant.
Pay rise.
I think it's easier. Don't think you can pay me assistant money for coming being a head coach. No, go.
You don't think it would have been easier for like make a smoother transition in terms of wages?
It depends on the type of individual that Paul Hall is.
Alright, so yeah, let us know in the comment section, guys.
Tappa Whitmore has been making $750,000 a year.
Way too much for me, but you know, it's not a lot when you think about the scale, international coaches and their.
So Tappa in or Tappa out for you?
For me, Tappa out.
Right now.
Right now. Should have been out before, but right now I'll say Tappa out.
Do you think with one of the aforementioned alternatives, we stand a chance of qualifying?
It can't get worse than Tappa.
No,
I walk up on a rant, you know.
It cannot get worse.
It can't get worse than Tappa.
But I'm saying,
I'd like to see somebody else.
The question that I propose to you, out of the names that I previously mentioned, if one of them gets the reins of the national program with 5 games to go, 6 games to go,
5 home games, right?
No, 4 home games, 4 home games, 6 games to go. Do you think we get enough points to qualify for the World Cup or to get that playoff spot with Paul Hall or say Ricky Hill or Carl Brown when they're
I won't go out on a limb and say that we do qualify, but what I will say is that we definitely stand a better chance with one of those guys. I don't think Theodore Whitmore is our best shot right now, or gives us our best shot right now. What do you think?
I agree, 100%.
Alright, so moving on real quick. Some of the Reggae Boyz have been performing really well overseas, and we want to talk about some of them.
First one, one of the EFL Championship goal of the season contenders.
QPR.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Big goal.
Andre
Gray, man.
Andre Gray, just getting it like
good performance.
Goal. Yeah, for sure, and he has been performing, and he recently did an interview saying that he's fully committed to the boys. Let's just be fully committed to him.
Yeah.
Andre Gray, we love you. You're a baller.
Already having a good season to mention now. Mikel Antonio continue his form, getting an assist on the weekend, beating Chelsea.
Played very well.
Yep.
One of the players of the game in that outstanding performance.
That was a really good game.
West Ham, man, surprising, and Mikel Antonio at the helm leading the charge for them.
Right. In the Premier League though, Liam Bailey injured. Steven Gerrard said that he'll be out for weeks. Don't expect him back before Christmas. Those were the words of Steven Gerrard.
Well, in my very, very selfish opinion, as long as he'll be okay for January 20th.
No man, I want him on farming, bro. I don't just want him to be here.
Honestly, I'm afraid when Liam Bailey plays in the Premier League because he always gets hurt.
I don't know why.
So,
he can't play 3 games straight, bro.
So, Liam Bailey, here what? Just not
go and take a risk.
Yeah, just play the 3 World Cup qualifiers first in January and don't play no more football before that. Almost on.
I'm with it. One more mention in England. Michael Hector. One more mention in
England. Michael Hector. Oh yeah, recently making the team of the week in the championship. Playing very good football. He was iced out of the Fulham team, and he got back in
since last year. Yeah, they were promoted.
And he recently got back in. They're relegated. He recently got back in.
No, they got promoted last year, and then he was kicked out of the team last year.
Yeah,
still not make it back in the team
until very recently, and they finally played. And he played and he left an impact, and he continued to play and he continued to play. People always talk about Shemar Nicholson, not giving him his flowers. Do you know that Shemar Nicholson is one of the best players on one of the top teams in one of the top leagues in Europe?
Sitting 4th in the Jupiter League.
Yeah, and right now, we'll be playing in the Champions League. And Shemar Nicholson is leading the charge, having the most goals, the 3rd most assists, and the most goal contributions and the 2nd highest team rating.
I think one more season and a big transfer is on the way for.
This is his last season.
You think this is the last season in Belgium?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright. So guys, those are the updates on the Reggae Boyz. Let us know if we missed any of the players or any players that you wanted to get shout
Only
out.
Fisher never get renewed. And that means only Fisher should not get a call up.
Yeah, I think we have better, but I don't want. You know what? We're
Javier-
on the good.
Javier
We're on the, yeah, I
Javier
think we have
Brown got
better.
renewed.
I think we have better.
Alpha Sport is in a final.
Yeah, Javin Brown and Avaspor are my two right backs. And if they are not out, then I'll go with my rapper before even only Fisher. But yeah, I wanted to stay on the positive.
Alright, what you say? They wrap it up?
Yeah, wrap it up, man.
All
That's
right.
it. A good, nice little quick video. Now keeping up with the Reggae Boyz episode 2.
As I said, my favorite segment, we're gonna keep it up. We're gonna keep on keeping up with the Reggae Boyz until Qatar next year in November.
Loving it. So guys, don't forget. Oh, I need to address something. Because I study my analytics, you know.
Yep.
Did you know, bro, that only 20% of our viewers are subscribers? Only 20% of the people that watch our videos subscribe. So right now, subscribe to the video. I'm not move. I wait. Because that vex me, you know? I get dark on watch. Subscribe to our channel right now. Like the video. Come and talk to us, man. Interact. We love it. It's very important, guys. Come on, do it. Right now.
Yeah, man, we have some people that always comment, that always interact with us. You guys are the MVP, you know yourself. You get me, I say? Keep the comments coming, keep talking to us. We reply to all of the comments. Just tell us what you think. Tell us what you think about Tappa Whitmore, in or out. Tell us who you want to be the head coach. Just talk to us, guys. Just like the video and subscribe. And better yet,
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead, huh? Yeah. Go ahead, man.
I don't even know why I laugh with them.
Go ahead, brother.
Guys, if each one of you right now can get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that would garner us by the end of the day? Just share the video, please, guys. We're working hard.
We can do the maths real quick. Let me do the maths.
We're almost at 400, by the way.
Yeah. Times 5. Shit. Times 5. 1,960. First time doing the maths on a video. So guys, please share the video. That's it.
All right.